In this video, I'll show you how to record a Skillshare class. If you want to get Skillshare, I'll leave a link in the comments down below. Step 1. Choose your recording setup. Choose the right equipment, your camera, microphone and screen recording software. Ensure good lighting and clear audio for a professional look. Check your background and reduce distractions. Step 2. Record your video. Record your video lessons using your preferred recording tool. This can be your phone, a camera, or whatever you like. Ensure each lesson is clear, concise and focused on one key idea. This is for a nice structure. Edit the videos to remove any unnecessary parts and improve the quality. Step 3. Upload the recordings. Once your video is ready, go back to your Skillshare instructor dashboard. Upload the final versions of your recordings under each lesson section. Make sure to add captions or notes to clarify important points. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.